You want to learn how to change the wheels on your hub motor boards? This video is for you. Hey guys, welcome back to Bambuckle Boards. This is Duncan, and in this video I'm test riding the Exway Flex hub. It's actually a great board, and I really like hub motors because they're so silent. But they can be a bit rough sometimes because there is not much polyurethane all around the motor. So when you're riding on rough roads, you can make for a rough ride. So right now I'm actually on like a perfect smooth pavement, so the hub motors are actually pretty perfect. But sadly, not all pavement has been created equal. So some people probably like to get more comfort out of their board. And we actually just received a kit that allows you to put Cloudwheels on a hub motor. So even on these Exway Flex with hubs, you could put Cloudwheels directly on the hubs. So I know what you're gonna say. You're gonna say, why get hubs and then just put different wheels on it with a weird attachment? And why not just buy the Riot kit that has interchangeable wheels? Because then you lose the silentness and you lose the free roll, and that's what's great on hub motors. So if you want to keep the advantages of hub motor and get more comfort out of the ride, this video is for you. I'm gonna put the Exway on the bench and we're gonna get going. Hey guys, so we're back in the warehouse and I've got the Exway Flex hub here on the table. So as you can see, this is a hub version. Exway Flex, great board. And by the way, before we get started, the Exway Flex, both models, Flex Hub and Flex Riot, are in stock right now and they're selling like crazy. So if you've been hesitating, buy it now. It's the right time. And yeah, they're actually on sale right now, so it's even the better time. We offer a package with Cloudwheels if you want. But yeah, these are great board. Exway did a really good job, and people are loving them. So yeah, there's a lot of people buying them right now. And yeah, so get on it. So in this video, we're going to talk about the Cloudwheel pulley kit, which is specifically designed for hub motors. So that's the kit. That's what you get in it. Some screws, some spacers, some rubber gaskets. And so what we're going to do is actually remove this hub cover and stick this on with the screws that are included in the kit. And then you can stick your Cloudwheels on there. It might look weird, but it works really well. And then you get the benefits of the hubs without losing comfort. All right, let's get to it. All right, so I've got all the tools ready. I've got my board, I've got the T-tool or skate tool, whatever. Got some Cloudwheels here. Oh, I just dropped a spacer. And I've got our new hub kit. Oh, there's Ben. Hey, Ben.
Hey, how's it going?
Pretty good. Just about to start.
Is he doing a good job?
Yeah.
Let us know in the comments.
I am.
Okay.
So for the front wheels, it's fairly easy. Just like you do on any skateboard, remove the bolt. Don't lose the speed rings, the little spacers. You can use something to align the spacer inside the bearing. Put the wheel on, speed ring, bolt, and you're done. Easy peasy. There we go. So from the front wheel, it's fairly easy, just like any board. What we're interested in is the back wheel. So as you can see, this Exway has got 5 screws on the side of its hub. We also have a kit for 6 screws. So some different brands of boards, I think maybe Backfire, I don't know, I could be wrong, but we've got, yeah, so we've got 5 holes that's good for X-way and other hub motor boards with 5 screws on the side. And we've got a 6 screws, 6 holes kit for the 6 holes hubs board. And yeah, so you'll have to just take these off. Sadly, you need a special tool. So I think it's the Torx 10. This is this like star-shaped screw. You can easily find this at Bunnings or and then I'll just unscrew these 5 screws. Little disclaimer before we continue. This might void your warranty. I don't think so, because you're not actually disassembling the motor. But yeah, just so you know. So we'll remove these screws. Just pop off the cover. There you go. So that's the hub motor cover. That's your actual motor. So at this point, you could remove the PU, the wheel sleeve, like this. I don't recommend it though, because then you'll just have your screws exposed. I don't know. Because this can act as a motor cover, so I guess yeah, I would just leave them on. Next, so we've got the attachment. You need to put a big bolt inside of it so that you can actually screw the cloud wheel onto something. So that goes in the middle. Then you align the smallest. So in this instance, I'm using these screws, these holes, but you can use the bigger ones if you need bigger screws, depending on the model of your hub motor. That just pops on. So you put one of these little spring washer on it. Tiny spring washer. And then the screw goes all the way in and screws on the other side. You just need to make sure the holes are perfectly aligned. There we go. And yeah, just repeat the process with all the screws. So same thing as everything else. I'm not actually tightening all the way in. I'm just tightening a bit until all the screws are in, and then I'll tighten in what we call a star pattern. Just to make sure everything is tightened the same way. So say I'll tighten this one, then I'll tighten the one directly opposite to it, and then the one opposed the other side, just in a star pattern, and then you keep doing that until all your screws are fully tightened. Now that your adapter is securely on, we can put the actual wheel. So this rubber gasket comes first. Then you've got a speed ring that goes above the bolt. I might continue this video when this truck is gone. And the truck is gone. So yeah, we've got adapter, rubber gasket, speed ring, which is this little ring here. Then the wheel with the bearings mounted in. Make sure the bolt is all the way out. Speed ring again, just so that the bearing is not crushed by the bolt. The bolt is sinking in a bit, so I need to just pull it my way. There we go. And then the bolt, and then I'll use my skate tool to tighten this bolt. And there we go, tightened, wheel on. Not gonna lie, it looks pretty weird, but it effectively transforms your hub motor into a direct drive. The motor's here and the wheels at the back. Now we just need to do the same for the other side. All right, we're back. Both our wheels are down with the adapters. We got the front wheels, Cloudwheels as well, and it's gonna just test it now, I guess. Where's the remote? There we go. So as you can hear, still very silent because they're hub motors. But we've got full on the Cloudwheels on them. Might look a bit weird, but I mean, it's all right. And it's wider at the back, so maybe it's more stable. Yeah, so definitely hub motors, because I'm not even using the remote right now. I'm just kick pushing, and there's no drag at all. Now I'm using the remote. Wow. Yeah, it's night and day. Now, any little bump is just, you can't feel it. The Cloudwheels are really soft in the flexi deck, and it's quiet. So basically, yeah, it just transformed the Exway Flex hub into a direct drive. That's pretty awesome. All right, let's get Ben and see what he thinks about it. So Ben, you want to just look at this board and tell me what you think?
Alrighty. Okay, I'll grab that. Let's see. Oh my what have you done? What is this? What do we call this? What?
Well, it's kind of like we transformed the Exway hub into a direct drive, I guess.
Okay.
Because the hub motor is now...
Yeah, it is like a direct drive now.
It's pretty wide.
Wow. Wide stance. More like a dragster. I guess the thing that freaks me out is that it's really wide at the back and narrow trucks at the front.
It's just more stable.
Yeah, okay.
Go.
Let's see what this thing does.
Yeah, I thought it was night and day difference, because the hubs are really aggressive and you feel every little crack in the pavement. But with this, it's like the trend line.
Okay, let's go.
Don't fall.
All right. What's the range on this mic? Oh, you're gonna run. Run, I can run.
First bump.
Okay. Not bad. Wow. So wide at the back. Hey Ricky, what do you think about these wide trucks at the back? Whoa. What do you think? Yay or nay? Can we get away with it?
It comes down to practicality, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Right.
I think I know what Ricky's saying. It looks like shit, but it rides really well.
Doesn't look good.
It doesn't look good. Okay. We thought that, I think. Thanks, Ricky. Wow. Ricky's pretty much bought every one of our products, a bike, skateboard, and another bike, so I trust Ricky. But look, I think we can get away with this if it wasn't for those bright orange wheels. What if they were black wheels or something?
Yeah, I guess you could put black tape on the wheels because they're not touching the ground, so the tape would stick.
Well, yeah, you could spray them.
Yeah, you could spray them, or and as I showed before, you can actually remove the orange part, the PU.
Oh, right.
But then the motor is exposed. So
Could that be good for heat release?
it could be good for heat release, actually. And it's just that, yeah, the screws and the motors are exposed, so it looks a bit less weird.
Okay, right.
But I didn't know. Yeah.
Well, actually, you know, I've ridden a direct drive before where the motors scrape bottom out or scrape along different bumps and stuff. So maybe just leaving the wheels on is actually really good for protecting the motors. Yeah, good protection. So I'd do that.
Yeah, and then just spray them or put just a layer of black gaffer tape.
Yeah.
Like I was saying earlier in the video, if you decided to buy the hub, that's a good option to get more comfort. Because yeah, why not just go with the Riot kit, direct drive, and then just change Riot belt drive and then just change the wheels.
Yeah.
But then you lose all the benefits of a hub drive, which is the
Free roll. Okay.
the quietness, and and the nice acceleration curve and power. I really like that the board is quiet, and to be honest, I would ride this. Probably not with the orange.
Okay.
I would sticky tape it, definitely.
Okay. All right. So basically, what you're saying is having the hub with the extended Cloudwheels, it makes it into a direct drive, and you're getting that free roll, and you're enjoying that free roll more.
Yeah, and it's a cheaper option. It's a cheaper direct drive, basically.
Okay.
Yeah, and the kit is all metal. It's all metal parts, so it looks very well made. All these red parts. It comes with really thick bolts.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think it's pretty good. Yeah, it's weird. I'm not gonna lie, it's weird.
It's weird, but the quality is good.
Yeah.
And that's what we're about. We're about good quality and checking things up and trying new things. So, well done. Now, did Duncan show you how to change that over? Did you?
Yeah.
All right.
Whole tutorial.
Oh, whole tutorial.
You can post it.
All right. If he's left out anything or if you've got any questions, just drop in the comments, and we'll add that. We'll answer for you. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time.